Hi, Phil here from the Winds Technical Centre and welcome to Under the Hood. In this video, we'll take a look at the effects of contamination on fuel injectors. But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel where you can see more Under the Hood videos about our professional product range. When a customer brings a vehicle to the workshop experiencing problems such as poor performance, lumpy idle, increased engine noise, and reduced fuel efficiency, it could be due to the injectors being contaminated. Before we take a look at the solution, let's just remind ourselves about the importance of the fuel injection system and just take a look about how small amounts of contamination can affect those injectors. Fuel systems vary, but their objectives are the same. They're there to give good power and output to the engine, good fuel delivery, reduced emissions, and have diagnostic capabilities. Now, modern digital fuel injection systems operating at high pressure, such as this one here, give the benefits of providing better fuel stability, better efficiency, providing better fuel to the engine using ambient air temperatures and pressures to deliver the right amount of fuel for combustion, better idling stability, and in turn, returning better performance to the engine and reduced emissions. Now, unfortunately, these injectors operate at extremely tight tolerances. This means that the smallest amount of contamination can have an effect on the fuel delivery and the emissions of the vehicle. Exhaust gas aftertreatment systems rely on temperature to operate efficiently. When we have a contaminated injector, this affects the combustion process and reduces the exhaust gas temperature. This in turn means that we now start seeing issues with our catalytic converter, gasoline particulate filter, and diesel particulate filter. But it doesn't stop there. The effects of incomplete combustion due to injector contamination means we create more deposits. These deposits can now enter the oil system, the intake system and the intake valves, exhaust gas recirculation systems, and of course, our particulate filters. The end result is that we end up with a vehicle with reduced performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and high emissions. So now we should have a good understanding that a key element to efficient combustion is good fuel delivery. Keeping the fuel system and the fuel injectors clean are vital to a vehicle's performance. The good news is that there's nothing more easier. Just select the right treatment for the vehicle, a petrol or a diesel injector cleaner, add it to the fuel tank. When it's added to the tank, it mixes with the fuel, and as long as the engine is running, the system is being cleaned. For more information on our complete professional product range, please speak to your local spares parts supplier, visit our website, or download the Winds Expert app. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other Under the Hood videos.